Hey, happy Thursday, everyone. This morning, I decided I was going to take a break. I have been working a ton, just extremely busy, and decided I needed to take a day off since I haven't been getting out fishing as much as I would normally like to do. So this morning, the forecast changed yesterday and made it look like this was going to be a fairly decent day to be out, so I decided I was going to take it off and get out here on the water and just take a break. So right now I'm in the wildlife refuge. I'm on my way to Beacon 42, and I'm going to launch there because wind projections today are fairly high. Winds out of the north, supposed to be double digits almost right away, but not a lot of chance of rain. Not a lot of cloud cover. It should be fairly clear. So, you know, the cloud cover was what I was worried about. I wanted it to be clear enough that I would be able to sight fish. You know, as you've seen, if you watch my videos, you've seen that, you know, topwater bite has been almost non-existent lately. And so, in the past, you've heard me say I don't mind throwing topwater all day long. If it's a cloudy, rainy day, you know, I'm happy to do that. I love throwing topwater, but it's just not been effective lately. So that's why I was more focused on whether or not I was going to have, you know, clear skies or not. So again, today looks like it's going to be clear, so I'm going to head out of Beacon 42, probably stay behind the islands for the most part. I'm not going to likely venture out across the lagoon or anything because of the winds. But you know, being the middle of the week, there shouldn't be a lot of boat traffic, and it'll probably be fine. So anyway, I'm going to be pulling into Beacon 42 here in a moment, so I will give you guys an update once I'm going, and hopefully have something to report. So talk to you then. Alright, well, I gotta say, water clarity here is terrible. I can't see the bottom at all. Looks like the water levels are really high. But it is blowing out here. Wind is really high already. So, I am not gonna venture out into the lagoon. I have not fished this area in a very long time. So, I don't know. We're just gonna go for it and see what happens. I don't have particularly high expectations, but whatever. Maybe I'll get lucky. I can't see a damn thing. Visibility is like next to nothing. That's kind of why I'm still throwing topwater. Yes. Uh-oh, this is a good fish. What is he? Uh-oh. What is it? Come on. No, no, no. No. I'm in trouble now. He's going to get... Oh. Looks like a nice red. Yes. Yeah, nice solid redfish. Wish I had the net set up. Yes. top water too. That's awesome. Alright, starting off the day with a nice solid 25-inch redfish on top water. So, pretty happy with that. Especially as dirty as this water is, you can't see it all. You know, this water back in this cove here is pretty nasty, so I am kind of hesitant to soak my hands in it, you know, releasing the fish like you see me normally do. After my friend Boudreaux died from flesh-eating bacteria, I'm a lot more wary of it, so he's taking his time, that's for sure. The gills are pumping just fine, but he's not doing much else. He's not kicking at all. There he goes. There he goes. Good. Alright. You're on your way. See ya. Okay, just finished up here at Beacon 42, and I cannot say that this has been one of my better days. Now, I knew the winds were going to be blowing. I said that earlier, so I just stayed over on the west side, stuck behind the islands, and honestly, water quality was awful. I would not recommend coming out here. The whole time, I saw 2 redfish, and I had maybe 3 to 4 missed strikes on top water and 1 missed strike on soft plastic. I caught 1 redfish on top water, the 25-inch redfish, which if I made this into a video by now, you've already seen that. And that was the only fish I caught. So pretty frustrating. I'm sure you heard me complaining already. Couldn't see squat. I mean, unless the water was less than a foot deep, you couldn't see a thing. So not good, but at least I didn't get skunked. I caught a decent fish this time, which, you know, I haven't produced some videos in the past because I only caught 1 fish on trips, but they were small fish. This is a really nice, healthy redfish, so I'll probably do a video. But I'm not bragging. The day kind of sucked, really, but I knew it was going to be tough with the wind coming out of that direction, and as you know, blowing as hard as it was going to be, I knew I was going to be very limited on what I could do. So anyway, hope it was worth your watching. You know, it was worth me getting out. I always enjoy being on the water, so not the best day, but I would do it again. So, and I will eventually. So when I do that, I'll talk to you then. Bye.